Hello everyone! Welcome to our 3-minute Turkish lesson series, where we dive into phrases from the series Love for Rent. Let's get started.
Çok özür dilerim. Çok özür dilerim.
Çok özür dilerim.
Means, I'm so sorry, or more literally, I ask for a lot of apologies.
Çok
Means, very or a lot.
özür
This noun means apology or excuse. It's the key term used in formal apologies in Turkish.
dilerim.
I wish or I ask for.
Dile,
This is the verb root of,
dilemek.
which means to wish or to ask for.
İm,
First person singular suffix meaning. I, in the phrase,
özür dilerim.
the, are, gives the verb a polite, general tone, meaning something like I am asking for an apology. It's not about a specific moment, but more about making a polite statement or request in a general sense.
Çok özür dilerim. Çok özür dilerim.
Benim suyum.
Su,
Benim suyum.
su.
Su,
Water, the noun,
suyum.
means my water. The, y, allows for smooth pronunciation between the noun and the possessive suffix.
Benim suyum.
Su,
Benim suyum.
su. Bilmiyorum, bilmiyorum,
Bilmiyorum.
Means, I don't know.
Bil,
Know,
bilmek.
to know.
Mi,
This suffix negates the verb, making it not know.
yor.
Present continuous tense suffix indicates that the subject is I, first person singular.
bilmiyorum, bilmiyorum. Sen kal burada. Sen kal burada.
Means, you stay here, imperative.
Sen,
You,
kal,
stay, the verb root of,
kalmak.
to stay. In this context, it's in the imperative form, commanding or requesting someone to stay.
Burada,
Here, a colloquial form of,
burada.
meaning here.
Sen kal burada.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.